Hello and welcome to the show I Am. Today we are going to talk about cytology, or what many people call the study of cells. But that raises the question, what are cells? Cells are like a microscopic factory that repairs your body, reproduces themselves, and keeps you alive. Where can you find cells? You can find cells in every living thing, from the tiny unicellular organisms to the enormous blue whale. All plants and animals have different types of cells. They don't all look the same because they have different purposes. For example, cells that are for skin are different than blood cells for the different purpose at hand. Human cells look different than plant cells. What are cells for? Cells are essential for life to exist. They replicate DNA, which carries instructions on how the body and all the different parts grow and work. Cells also protect your body as the immune system. Cells have been known as the building blocks of life. What can you find in a cell? First, we're going to start with the animal cell here. Let me get my pointer. We're going to start from the center and work our way outward. First, we're going to start at the nucleus, nucleosis, which replicates RNA, which looks like a double helix cut in half. And as we go out a little bit more, we get to the nucleus, which replicates DNA. And then we get to this area right here, which holds the rough endoplasmic reticulum along with the lysosomes, the Golgi, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and the mitochondrion. I think that's how you say it. Let's look at the plant cell. Do you notice how it's a different shape? It still has some similarities, like the nucleus and the nucleosis, mitochondria, the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi, lysosomes, the cytoplasm, which fills it all up, and the membrane. But wait, there are some things that I do not see in this cell, like the chloroplast and the vacuole, along with the cell wall. This is how plant cells are special. Now let's focus on one type of cell that is part of your immune system. Can you guess what it is? It's the white blood cell. White blood cells remove foreign bodies and attack infected cells. When a white blood cell detects an infected cell, they attack it and release a toxic chemical that causes the infected cell to burst. This is why some people call the white blood cell the killer cell. The killer cell. I will now get my assistant Craig to demonstrate what I'm talking about with a low budget clip.